Here we go, another video. Can you actually believe that I get paid? Look at that, that's craziness. It saves a little bit of time, saving time. It does save a little bit of time, but this gutter is so deep and it's so full. It goes deep. Look at that. You can't actually see how much it is, I don't think. Man, this is like the worst gutter cleaning job I've ever done. This tops off the last one. Man, this is crazy. Can you actually believe that I get paid $45 to clean this whole building? Mind you, there is a backside. You wonder why it's so full? Check all that out. All of these buildings that go down the line. Crazy.